Pharmacy is a journey from leaves and roots to labs and machines. Let us see how it started and where it is going. Think future, think pharmacy.
आमच्या काळात औषधी निसर्गातून तयार व्हायची.
ताप आला तर पान उडून जायचे, जखम झाली तर लेप लावायचे, सगळं हाताने बनवलं तरी लोक आमच्यावर विश्वास ठेवायचे.
औषधांचं मोजमाप हे अनुभवावर चालायचं. कधी कमी कधी जास्त पण श्रद्धा होती.
Tradition gave us the start, but science brought us the answers.
Today, medicines are discovered with AI and biotechnology. What once took decades now take months.
Every tablet has exact dose. We know its structure, action, and side effects.
Personalized medicines are designed for each patient's DNA.
From nanotechnology to 3D printed drugs,
Pharmacy is shaping the future of healthcare.
Faith or science both had one mission: to heal, to care, and to give hope.
आम्ही सुरुवात केली.
आम्ही निसर्गाची ताकद जगाला दिली.
we gave it science.
And turned tradition into innovation.
Think future, think pharmacy.